Clays are recognised as one of the largest book printers in the UK, printing over 150 million books a year. When we initially started talking to Clays, it was clear they wanted an insurance broker who would take the time to listen and offer them the level of support they needed to manage such a large, well-established and successful business. Their site in Suffolk has grown over the past 150 years in an array of different buildings spread over 600,000 square feet. A simple matter of inspecting the condition of their roofs and gutters isn't simple. Through our partnership with iProserve and access to state-of-the-art drone technology, we are able to offer Clays a close-range inspection of not only their roof, but also other areas of the building not easily visible or accessible from the ground. The HD quality footage and stills are then presented in a 3D interactive tool that enables them to view the entirety of their building and zoom into particular areas of concern. Our support of Clays does not start or end here. It's part of the overall wraparound risk management service that we provide to them.
iProserve was formed in 2014 and we decided to go into the insurance sector to provide drone solutions for specialist inspection models to them. We look at stuff like major loss, we also look at claims, and we also look into the risk environment to provide solutions to our clients. We're happy to work with Aston Lark today, producing state-of-the-art drone solutions and survey technology to their clients.
So 1 year ago we were sold, and at the time of point of sale we decided to review our insurers and our brokers. Clays is a major printing company, and we have several customers who have entrusted us with 100% of their production. As such, we need to make sure that we manage the risks around the site, our assets that are on site and the buildings, to make sure that we are able to produce for those customers on time. With certain areas of the roof, it's so fragile that we need to be very careful how we access that. And with the help of Aston Lark, we've decided to do a drone survey of the roof, which will give us a 3D image of the roof, high definition, that we'll be able to look through and then decide what risks it poses and how we might overcome those risks. What I enjoy with working with Aston Lark is I have access at any time to their engineering expertise and their risk management, and at all times we work very closely together in the early phases of the project to make sure we don't have any unforeseen problems towards the end which could be of high cost. From day one I made it quite plain to the brokers that I wanted a very close and sincere relationship, and I believe that we've managed to get that with Aston Lark.
We offer our clients a range of clear, sensible, cost-effective solutions, in addition to what you've seen us provide today, a bespoke answer to a client's problem. Whether it's simply providing assistance to our clients on health and safety or business continuity, or needing help managing their fleet, to offering something different like needing guidance and support on a whole range of solutions. We would encourage clients to get in touch to understand how we can work together to help them reduce their claims and therefore premiums.